Hey, this is Brad with WTI, and nothing is scarier than dropping your phone. Who knows when you pick it up what you're gonna get, but you can have a little more confidence if you have this. And that's why I like this 14 Pro Max military grade shockproof case with ring. What's really nice about it is it has this raised bevel over where the lenses are, so that way it gives the lenses extra protection, because we all know we want to be able to take nice crisp photos and videos with our phones, right? Also, the little ring on the back is really nice because you can use it to help hold your phone securely. You can loop a finger through it and then hang onto the sides of the phone, or you can just hang onto the ring of the phone itself. Also, it springs back, so that way when you get it close, it magnets and it stays there. That way it doesn't get caught on stuff in your pocket or your purse or wherever you keep your phone. Also, we use a little magnet setup in our cars to post our phones where we can see them, to use for GPS and other stuff like that. And the little ring fits perfectly. You can use that ring also to position your phone sideways or vertically, however you want, so that way you don't have to hang on to it or find a book or something to lean your phone against if you don't want to hold it while you're watching it. Another thing that we like about it is it's sleek. It's not bulky like other cases, but it does give you a nice layer of protection. So that's what we enjoyed about this 14 Pro Max military grade shockproof case, and that's my point of view.